Erase securely. Recertify HDD and SSD. Rack System Erasure from YEC, an advanced erasure system for data centers, ITAD, and e-recycling services for volume tasks. YEC Rack System erases sensitive data securely and efficiently by using the latest sanitization standards NIST. 3 configuration models, 48, 64, and 80 drives, accommodate applications best fit for any project scale. A limited erasure without license fee is one of the greatest benefits you can get from the rack system. Drive Bay is designed for hot swap for high output and efficiency. No need to wait for other drives to finish. Drive Quality Evaluation gives a tool to reduce RMA drastically. Slide-in jig maximizes work efficiency for connecting and ejecting a drive with no effort in the blink of an eye. Erasing 80 drives is simple and easy. Here is how it works. Select a command script from the drop-down list. Press Start button. The software displays progress, drive information, and error codes. For reporting, the rack system automatically creates detailed logs, CSV database, and work reports. Rack system offers more advantages. Slide-in jig allows accepting server drive caddies of different types into the rack system. SQL Server connectivity facilitates access to the database server from multiple rack system locations. The rack system expands its capability further when integrating with DECA YG2043 Eraser. The host software integrates erasure events of M.2, U.2, SCSI, and Fiber Channel devices. The system conveniently comes with erasure scripts in compliance with NIST, DoD, Test and Repair, to name just a few. Rack System Erasure Solutions from YEC. It's the technology you can rely on. Contact us today.